To replace the inner door handle mechanism, you will first need to remove the rear door panel. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Place a soft clean towel down on your bench and place the panel face down on it. If your vehicle is equipped with sunshades, you will need to remove them first to access the mechanism. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the insulation and sunshade removed, you have access to the 5 T20 Torx screws. Remove the 5 screws. There are no screws on the front that need to be removed. Remove the assembly from the door. Installation is the reverse of removal. Use care not to scratch the new handle when installing. Torque the hardware to 5.6 Newton meters or 4 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.